Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Stinger GT2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.